Welcome to Broward College Instructional Design. My name is Robin, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the D2L converter tool to convert your Word documents to a CSV file to import quizzes into D2L. To convert a DOC file of quiz questions to a CSV file format for import into D2L Brightspace, you'll use the Brightspace Quiz Question Converter tool. This tool, hosted by Brightspace, takes text-based questions and transforms them into a CSV file format. You can then import the CSV file into D2L's question library. In this video, I will cover 4 necessary steps: how to format your questions in Word, by ensuring your questions are formatted correctly according to the converter's tool's requirements, including how to indicate correct answers and answer choices. In step 2, we'll cover how to copy and paste into the converter by opening the Quiz Question Converter tool and pasting your formatted questions into the designated text box. And 3, how to convert the CSV by using the converter tool to generate a CSV file. And last but not least, we're going to look at how to import into D2L, how to access D2L's question library and import the generated CSV file. To locate the correct web page, start by searching for the Quiz Question Converter tool in the Google search engine. This will bring up D2L's website. Click on Quiz Question Converter Brightspace Community. Once you have located the Brightspace Community page, you're going to click on the bright blue link that says Quiz Question Converter.zip. Double-click on that to download. It will go into your Downloads folder by default. It's important to review the formatting characteristics in the D2L Brightspace community for the question types. This is important because if you do not format them correctly, it will not translate correctly into a CSV file format. For the next step in the process, locate your course inside of D2L. On the top menu bar, you see Tools. Click on Tools, and in the drop-down, select Course Admin. Once you've arrived to the Course Admin section of D2L, you're going to see an option where you can click on Import, Export, Copy Components. You're going to select Import Components at the very bottom and click Start. This is where you're going to upload your file that you've downloaded from the D2L Brightspace community located in the Downloads folder. For selecting the correct way to import, you're going to want to select Advanced Options located next to Import All Components. So make sure and select that second button. In the next step, D2L will read your course package. This may take a few minutes. Once that little timer shows that it's finished reading the package files, you're going to hit on the blue button that says Continue. It will prompt you to select components to import. I have selected Content 2 items. All right, and once you've selected that, you can click on Continue. And the installation process may take a few moments. Just wait patiently for this part. This part can take up to a few minutes to complete. Once it's finished installing, click on the blue button in the prompt that says View Content. You'll notice that the module was added to the content. The Quiz Question Converter is in the lower left-hand corner here. If I click on that, notice that I can also click on Quiz Question Converter. So it has its own web page. And so if I click on that, it's going to take me into the tool. So this brings up the text box where I can copy and paste my quiz questions from my previously formatted document in Word. So I'm just going to copy all of those by selecting all, and I'm going to paste the questions into this box. I'm just going to review to make sure all my questions were pasted in. And also, I have the option to change the value of the question points. Click on the convert button at the bottom. Next, you're going to locate your assessments folder on the top menu bar and scroll down to quizzes and tests and click there. Click on new quiz. All right, and then this is where we're going to click on Add Existing. This is where you're going to drop your CSV file that was exported from the converter tool. That should be in your Downloads folder. I'm going to upload that CSV file. We're going to go to Import All, and here we can see that it's imported our questions. I'm just going to do a final check to make sure everything was imported correctly, that I have the correct answers selected. And once I'm finished looking at everything, I can just hit save. Finalize the process. I'm just going to hit save and close. And that concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Instructional Design.